y'all already know what's up. Bad hair and makeup, aka end of day hair and makeup. You already know what's going on. We are going to pick the bro up at the airport.
I already know what time it is. Midnight.
Look, and we're all the way at the end of the hall, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. Literally me. I don't know if you guys look at me. Look at this bed though. Just kidding, it's just PJs. I got the cozy, cuddly PJs on. You know what I'm saying? You want to pull up and cuddle. So you know, here we go on our way to pick up Charlie. Charleswood, we're coming for you, Charleswood. If you saw the camera lens right now, LOL. It literally fogged up. Looking for Charleswood. Where is he?
Oh, I see him.
There's Charlie behind the guy in the blue hat. I think he sees us. Hey guys. Vlogging. We going to the mall. You already know, guys. We going to the mall. You know, this is the fit today. That's so Rachel and I'm so gay. Be happy, be bright, be gamma, phi.
How do you zoom in? This?
Why does it look like I don't?
You're glowing, Rachel.
You're glowing and still no. You know what? I'll take that back. Devin Harris wants it.
What's what? That butt?
Who doesn't? That's what I like myself.
What? Amy, how do you feel?
Whatever. Kris Jenner, she out here.
She's gassing it up. Mom loves it.
And her polyester shirt.
Polyester, baby.
Collections.
Cracker Barrel exclusive.
No.
Spring 2015 collection.
Tell me it's not Cracker Barrel.
This one is.
It's on YouTube. It's on YouTube.
YouTube? Okay. And I can subscribe to that?
Yep, do it. Tell all your friends.
Subscribe, notify.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And like me and my good friend always say, we got more videos.
Get on that.
That's the East Family's outro. Hey, it's family!
Alright, I'm in the road, family.
Charlie, enough.
Charlie, you're using up her battery. You're using her battery.
That's so Rachel.
Charlie. Which earrings, guys?
Which earrings, people?
At this point, it ain't gonna be matter.
Yeah. Hey, what's up, Cool Breeze? You got games?
What about I look fat on camera?
No, you don't.
Well, thanks. Tell that to Mom.
Mom, Rachel does not look fat on camera. Mom?
Her up weight question.
You're wasting her battery.
Amy, I don't want to hear it. Hey, what's up, Cool Breeze?
Alright, when you're done with that, stop recording and...
Oh, I thought we were going. Smoking carbon monoxide. That's a
Smoke.
place for it. That bubble.
Hey guys, that's so Rachel. We've got Mom. Look at Bobo. And we've got Rachel. Rachel, are you decent? Mom thinks that's funny. Same polyester shirt that you were wearing yesterday.
What yesterday?
Oh, making it switching up.
Charlie, stop filming, bro. You're wasting her her battery.
I'm not. Rachel.
Let's see what you got though. Then I'm gonna puke, guys.
Ew. Well, let's go get some French fries.
No, and then we'll try to swing. So they're
Ew, you actually gonna do that tonight?
Ew, you're not.
Not particularly.
She's showing her socks.
I got my hot tamale socks on. Because I'm hot sauce. Oh my God.
Where you at Charlie's room?
Charlie got underwear. And some dad clothes.
That's Daddy.
Rachel, why are you hands up? He's filming.
Spud.
Literally the little arm right there. Yeah, guys. I'm
Rachel, where do I go?
going on that needle.
Rachel, why don't you navigate instead of narrating?
It says it's on your right.
It's pretty generic.
Whoa, look at the Ferris wheel,
Looks like
y'all.
a parking garage right there.
So cool. And then that swings.
The destination is on your right.
And I'm going on that.
Eye contact.